Welcome to our quick guide on printer troubleshooting. Dealing with printer issues can be frustrating, but many common problems have simple fixes. We'll cover solutions for the most frequent headaches, from not printing at all to poor quality and pesky paper jams. If your printer isn't printing, let's start with the basics to pinpoint the issue. First, verify that the printer is powered on and all cables are securely connected. This includes the power cable and the USB or network cable. Next, make sure your computer is selecting the correct printer and that the printer status shows as ready or online. A clogged print queue can halt your printer. Try clearing any pending print jobs and restart your computer's print spooler service. If your documents look faded, streaked, or blurry, here are a few steps to improve print quality. First, check your ink or toner levels. Low or empty cartridges are the most common cause of faded prints. If you see streaks or missing colors, run a printhead cleaning cycle directly from your printer's software or control panel. Always ensure your printer settings match the type of paper you are using, like glossy or plain, to achieve the best results. Paper jams are frustrating, but dealing with them improperly can damage your printer. Here's how to handle them safely. Turn off the printer, then gently and slowly pull out any jammed paper in the direction of the paper path. Avoid tearing the paper. Make sure the paper is correctly loaded, the guides are snug against the paper stack, and you haven't overfilled the tray. If jams are frequent, the paper feed rollers might be dirty or worn. Consult your manual on how to clean or replace them. Is your printer taking forever? Let's look at ways to speed up the process. For internal documents or non-critical prints, using draft or fast print mode can significantly increase speed by using less ink. Outdated printer drivers can cause bottlenecks. Check your printer manufacturer's website for the latest driver updates. With these tips, you should be able to resolve most common printer issues and get back to seamless printing. Happy troubleshooting!